Hello, I am Samridhi and I was an HR executive intern at Abhyaz.
Hi everyone, I am Saimoon Ansari. I have joined Abhyaz as a social media coordinator intern and worked under marketing department.
Over the course of my internship, I worked with multiple Zoho application and Abhyaz module. Some of the key tasks included conducting the live support session, induction and orientation using the big blue button, sending offer letters using Zoho Recruit, creating assessment for different roles using the Zoho Survey and releasing them using the Zoho campaign every week. I also worked with Zoho Survey in designing a survey for the skill mapping of the interns. Then I used Zoho Writer to prepare the documentation, the design document and the process documents of the tasks that I performed. I also worked with continuous task was to assist the fellow interns, the new interns in understanding the platforms and how to use the tools and complete the task effectively.
During my internship, I get hands-on learning experience with real-world projects. I have worked on different projects laying out the key strategies and plans required for the overall growth of Abhyaz on its various social media platforms. I had handled Abhyaz social media channels under the mentorship of Samridhi ma'am. I got a remarkable experience working with certain Zoho tools such as Zoho Social for scheduling and posting content for Abhyaz different social media channels such as LinkedIn, Instagram and YouTube. I also laid out the strategic plan for email marketing for Abhyaz and creating email campaigns using Zoho campaigns. I also worked as a content admin for Abhyaz LinkedIn as to manage and engage with our audience, responding them and helping them with their queries promptly.
The internship not only enhanced my skills but also increased my confidence in using professional HR tools and has prepared me to contribute effectively in my future role.
I'm grateful to join Abhyaz and work with such a wonderful team and learned how to work collaboratively and efficiently, especially in a 100% virtual remote environment, which usually feels like a real office structure. So thank you so much Abhyaz, it's been a great journey.